Hello, everyone. I'm Pungwoon. It's a nickname that means wind and clouds, just like the Indian name. The knot we're going to introduce today is Dragon Backbone Bar. Let's see. There are two versions. It's an existing version and it's a white backbone bar and a regular-sized backbone bar. Normal width backbone bars are instead about 11.5 meters m thick and 8.5 meters m wide. It is the average width and white width. The average width is about 25 centimeters and the width of the white is about 3.6 centimeters. At this time, let's try the normal width version together. A pattern on the back and side. The side is unique. Don't give up. I'll show you slowly. Code color is good for monochrome, but my favorite OD. It was chosen as army green. It's good to know how to tie a knot. You need to know 4 steps. Once the jig setting is set on the buckle below with 4 lines like a video, you can start either first left or right, but I start from the right. Pass the rightmost cord through 3 of the 4 lines on the left, through the first and second cords on the left, and place it in place under the right. Step 2. Cover the loop made by the cord returned to the other right cord and slowly pull it up. And when one step is finished, always pull it and stick it close to the top to make it stronger. Just like that. Step 3 is the same as the right task. Pass the leftmost cord past the cord on the right and through the right army green cord and return to the left to position the circle. The first knot is always important. Life should be a good first step, and I think a knot is important. Step 4. Make a loop made by the other cord on the left side, as with the knot and the right side, and slowly pull it through and push it close together, so that it will be next. The knot gets easier. The 4th step is over. Keep in mind that always the cord covered from the bottom of does the following first. That is, the cord that did the second of the same side of the cord as the leading cord of the next. Slowly repeat step 1 to step 4. It's not a difficult knot at all. You don't know because you haven't done all the work and you don't have all the knots. You'll get something if you try and try. Take your time. Time is yours. Check the side pattern in the middle. When the cord order in which we work changes, the arrow shape is not consistent. Now, what do you think? Can't you do it after you've worked on both? Yes, you are the owner of the ability to do it. Now you're going to need as much wrist length as you want. Go down the same task over and over again. If the side pattern check is incorrect, it must be done again, so check it frequently and tie the knot. If you've worked to the bottom, it's easier to use a needle because the space between the cords is small. If you don't have a needle, you can work with a ballpoint pen. Be careful not to injure the cord's skin. The knot work is done. The rest of the cord can be cut and finished with a lighter, but it is also good to use a needle to insert it into the center. When you're done with the needle, pull the rest of the cord as much as possible and make a cut. When making a cut, bend the bracelet slightly to cut the bottom of the cord. Use outermost flame when using lighter flame and finish slightly to melt. If you're not familiar with it, you better avoid using a jet torch lighter. In the next video, let's try to wind back bone bar together.